Hey everybody, this is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the gold daily chart here. I'm going to give my analysis. I'm going to go over my thought process. And the idea here is, the reason why we make these videos for you guys for free is because, we want you to learn and to grow and really to get better as a trader. And we're going to go over our analysis and the chart and everything, so you're going to have a really good picture of what's going on with gold from a technical analysis perspective here. So before we get started with the chart here, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, what I want you to do is visit us on the homepage of the website and just get to know us, better. And when you get to know us better, you're going to see what the service that we provide is all about. And you're also going to be able to see, what our current members are saying about the membership, because, this is my service and I'm biased. It's my service. So, of course, I think it's the best service out there. But when you see these testimonials from our current members and everyone else, you're getting a different perspective here, a full picture other than me just saying, hey, my service is the best service. So it's a really good opportunity to see, what people are saying about the membership. And secondly here, it's a great opportunity for you to start receiving the winning trade alerts that our current members are getting here. Okay, so the reason why they're giving these raving reviews and testimonials is because of the profitable trading alerts that are delivered in real time for both the buy and sell alerts, so that you're never going to have to miss a beat in the market again. So, if you're tired of losing money in the market, tired of making some money and then losing some money and just having a kind of seesaw back and forth, if you're looking for consistency, then this is a great opportunity for you to start receiving winning trade alerts and to start making money in the market, because that's why we're here. That's why we're all here, is to make money in the market. And I also want to say something really quick, is that, we've seen a big influx in membership lately. We're seeing a lot of members signing up. We're growing at a rapid pace here. And with that said, we're going to be raising the prices soon. All right. We want to keep the membership a tight-knit community so that we can serve all of you guys at a really, really high level. So we are raising the prices, but right now, the prices are still low, and I want you to get in on these low prices. If you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay the higher rate that we're raising the prices to. So don't miss out and sign up while you still can at this low rate here. And, before we get going on the charts here really quick, what I want you to do is picture what your future is going to be like 30 days from now after you've signed up. Imagine what that's going to be like after you've been a member for 30 days. Picture that. Really picture it in your mind. What does that look like to you in 30 days from now? Imagine making money in the market. Imagine you stop losing money in the market. Imagine making your first few $1,000 in your market 30 days from now. How great would that feel? All right, great, guys. All right, so let's get going with this chart here. We're going to look at, the whole big picture here, so that you guys can get to a really good idea of what's going on with gold. Does that make sense? All right, cool. So I'm going to touch on the weekly chart here, and then we're going to boil it down into the daily chart. All right, so we're starting with the weekly chart. So first and foremost, I want to touch on this trend line. Do you see it starting back here, 2011? You see that? All right. See this rejection right there? All right, here's another rejection. You see that? Okay, and then see finally how we break over that. You see that, guys? All right, so we broke over this major downtrend line. All right, so what does that tell you? That tells you that there is potentially a trend change here for gold. So the trend was down. All right, it was down, but now we broke over that trend line. All right, and now the trend is likely going to be to the upside. All right, so the next thing I want to point out here is I'm going to go to the daily chart here, and I want to point out this major support that we have right here. You can see it was previous resistance. You see that resistance there? See it getting rejected here? Do you see that? See that, guys? Pretty simple stuff. All right, and then you see right here how it turned into support, because now that we're on the upside, it turned into support because we're coming down into it. So you see that bounce there? All right, perfect. See that bounce? Good. All right, here's another bounce right there. You guys see that? Is this making sense? All right, good. So here we are at this major support level. All right. We also have, this is that trend line I was talking about, this diagonal line. When we were looking on the weekly chart, all right, that's that downtrend line that we broke over, and we're above that. All right, so does that make sense to you guys? Do you see that? How cool is that? We're above that trend line. Pretty cool. All right, so we're right here, and I also want to flash back to the weekly chart, and you can see last week we had a indecision sideways hammer candle right here, and to me, that says, okay, it's ready for a pause. The market is ready for a pause. Now that could be a pause and a bounce, or it could be a pause to the downside. But when you have that kind of indecision where it closes right by where it opens, it's undecided where it wants to go. Does that make sense? Okay, good. So what I want you to focus on is this support level. And this support level on the gold chart is right around 123. If we break 123 to the downside, to me, that would be a short signal, because we break below the support that I mentioned here, as well as below that downtrend line that we broke over. All right, so if we break back below these things, then that would be bearish. Does that make sense? Good. Okay, so I'm glad that you guys are following along here, and this is pretty simple stuff. So that major level here, this is what I want you guys to focus on. 123 to 124 is that major support. As it stands right now, it looks like we're bouncing pretty nicely against it, okay? So we should see some upside movement, but you have to be prepared for a downside move. Does it make sense to you guys why you need to be prepared for both directions? Yeah, so you need to be prepared for both directions, because our opinions and our analysis is meaningless, unless we're actually making money from it. So let's say, okay, we think gold's going to make a bounce. All right. Well, you have to have a risk versus reward level that you're willing to hold it until. And to me, that risk to me is down to 123. So if we break 123, boom, I'm out. No more. All right, no more long, okay? But if you're not prepared for a downside move, then what'll happen is, this is what I see oftentimes with traders, is they'll hold below their stop. They think, okay, gold is going to head up, but they hold, the 123 to 121 to 119 to 118, and then they finally sell down here for a much bigger loss than they should have. And that's what we like to focus on at the Trading Analyst, is just really smart, sound risk versus reward, using techniques and methods that actually work. So our analysis is typically on the right side, but when it's not, our stop is very, very close by. So again, I'm going to close out the analysis here with that said, and thank you very much for stopping by, watching this video. I appreciate it a lot, guys. And you know, if you like this video, which obviously you did because you're here watching it until the end, you know, then you're going to love the membership at thetradinganalyst.com, you know, because most importantly, you know, you're getting those profitable trade alerts delivered directly to your cell phone in real time for both the buy and sell alerts. So you're never going to have to miss a beat in the market. You can stop losing money in the market and start making money in the market. And again, as a reminder, the prices are going up soon here, guys. So I want you to get in while these prices are low. I don't want you to miss out on these low prices, because if you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay a much higher rate. And I don't want that to happen to you guys, okay? If you're watching this video right now, there's no reason not to sign up for this membership and to start, you know, getting these winning trade alerts delivered directly to your cell phone, guys. So, you know, tonight, if you don't sign up, you know, what's going to happen is you're going to be laying in bed and you're going to be thinking to yourself, why didn't I take action? Why didn't I start making money in the market? Why didn't I want to join, you know, this great membership service? You know, and it's at that moment that you're going to know that you should have taken action. So don't let that be you tonight. Go ahead and sign up right now for this membership and be on your way to a successful trading. All right, guys, this is Taylor, and I'm signing off. I will see you next time and within the membership.